Hello and welcome to another Sketchbook Club. This week we will be painting beautiful coloured birds in lovely little detailed bird cages. So for this module you will need an HB pencil, a rubber, you'll also need a set of gouache paints, a size 1 paintbrush this time, and also a set of coloured pencils. You'll need a black fine liner to draw in all the bird cages and optionally a white gel pen or white paint for highlights. So first of all, print out your reference sheets, bird transfers and instructions. Have a really good look at the different birdcage images and start to plan out your composition lightly in pencil as we'll rub them out later. Next, start to transfer the birds one by one into the cages as per the instructions. You might like to add a few perched on the cages or flying around too. Once all the birds are transferred, start to add colour using your small paintbrush and gouache. Don't worry too much about detail. Think of it as a strong base of bright colour on each bird. Don't forget to paint in the little perches too. Next, it's time to add all the feathers and the details and markings using your coloured pencils. Have a really good look at the birds on the reference sheet for inspiration and guidance. If you wanted to, you could also add some white highlights using a white gel pen or white paint with a thin brush to the birds' bodies and wings. Now it's time to draw in the bird cages, looking carefully at the reference and drawing over your painted birds to make them look like they're inside the cages. Treat this a bit like a doodle, get lost in the process, and try not to worry too much about straight lines. The more wobbly, the more charming. You might like to add a few musical notes or dangling keys on chains too. This will make a really beautiful spread in your sketchbook. Or you could paint them individually and make little cards maybe. However you choose to create this module, I really cannot wait to see them. So do please share using the hashtag Sketchbook Club Bird Cages. Thank you so much for taking part and I'll see you at the next one.